If you're trying to learn how to use AI tools effectively but don't know where to start, you're watching the right video. What's up guys, Anubhav here, and see, we all now have some sort of knowledge of how to start using AI tools, especially if you want to learn how to make money using AI. But the fact of the matter is there is no structure to this learning. So yes, you could go on YouTube and search how to use AI tools effectively, but chances are it will not be a complete piece of information that will teach you a tool completely. So in today's video, I thought of sharing a really cool tool called Coursiv AI that I recently found out with you guys. This is basically a tool that will let you understand and learn AI tools and how to use them in a structured way, and it also has a bunch of really cool features that I think are worth your time. With that said, let's get started. Make sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is Coursiv AI, and it's basically a platform that teaches you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and many others in a very structured way. So instead of random YouTube tutorials, you actually get step-by-step guides based on certain goals. So you can learn things like AI image generation and income through that, AI-driven affiliate marketing, and even content creation with AI. But one of the coolest features that Coursiv AI has are challenges. So inside the platform, there's a challenges section where you can learn up to one AI tool per day with a clear outcome. So instead of just watching, you're actually building something. They also have a built-in section where you can use these AI tools within Coursiv AI with pre-made prompts that let you get results faster. And you know guys, as you progress, you also end up earning certificates inside this app that you can display on platforms like LinkedIn. And of course, they've got streaks, which makes you stay more consistent with the app every single day. Now, before you guys ask me whether it's free or not, see, Coursiv AI is definitely a paid tool, so you do have to pay to get started. But the reason I am recommending it is because it actually ends up saving you a lot of time. Instead of spending weeks figuring out how to master a certain AI tool without any structure, this actually gives you a clear path on how you can learn a particular AI tool, see it in action as you learn it, and ends up saving a lot of struggle. So if you're somebody who's actually serious about learning different AI tools and mastering them, this might be worth your time. So what I'll do for you guys is drop a link in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out and let me know what you guys think of this. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.